Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. This is Faisal Ahmed Rabbi from Department of Business Administration at Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. My registration number is 2021731062. Today I am back with another video, and in this video I will try to solve the problem 7.1 and 7.5. So let's go to on the solution. So this is the first problem. And the problem is you are given following profit function pi equals to r minus c, where r and c are total revenue and total cost respectively. Find necessary and sufficient conditions for profit maximization. Well, we need to find the first order condition or sufficient condition or second order condition for profit maximization. So here is the solution. The profit function is usually denoted by the symbol pi and is defined as the difference between total revenue and total cost. So we know that profit means TR minus TC, which means pi equals to TR minus TC. So following the question, pi equals to R minus C, which means R means total revenue and C means total cost. Profit function condition, first order condition or necessary condition. And whenever we try to find first order condition or necessary condition, we need to differentiate profit function in respect of Q. So here is the equation ddq of pi equals to 0, which means, and we know that pi means TR minus TC, and after this, the line ddq of TR minus ddq of TC equals to 0. And if we put ddq of TC on the other hand of the equation, then we can see that ddq of TR equals to ddq of TC. And we know that if we differentiate total revenue in respect of Q and total cost in respect of Q, then we can find marginal revenue and marginal cost. So after this, the equation is MR equals to MC or MR minus MC equals to 0. So this is the first order condition or necessary condition for profit maximization. Now we'll try to find out the second order condition or sufficient condition. So this is the equation of second order condition. For finding the second order condition or sufficient condition, we need to differentiate profit function twice. If we differentiate the profit function twice in respect of Q square, then we can find that d square dq square of pi less than 0. This is the equation of second order condition or sufficient condition. After that, this equation means d square dq square of TR minus d square dq square TC less than 0. If we put d square dq square on the other hand of equation, then we can find that d square TR divided by dq square less than d square dq square of TC. That means marginal revenue is less than the marginal cost. Therefore, slope of MR less than slope of MC. So this is the second order condition or sufficient condition. So this is the solution for problem 7.1, and we have already find out the first order condition and second order condition or necessary condition or sufficient condition for profit maximization. I hope you have understood the solution. So now I will move on to the next slide and the next problem. And the next problem is Phoenix Corporation faces the following demand curve. Q equals to 6,000 minus 50p, where Q is weekly production and P is price measured in cents per units. The firm's cost function is given by C equals to 60Q plus 25,000. Assume that the firm maximizes profit function. So first question is, what is the level of production, price, and total profit per week? Well, the given data is demand curve Q equals to 6,000 minus 50p and cost function C equals to 60Q plus 25,000. Now we can see that, and we can find P function easily from the demand curve equation, which is Q equals to 6,000 minus 50 P. So Q equals to this equation is Q equals to 6,000 minus 50 P, that, and we need to find P function. So we will put 50P on the other hand of the equation, and 60 minus Q will put on the other hand. So this is the equation of P, which is P equals to 120 minus 0.02 Q. And we need to find total revenue, and we know that total revenue means price into quantity, P into Q. So from the equation, we have already found that P equals to 120 minus 0.02 Q. So TR equals to P into Q. That means 120 minus 0.02 Q into Q. Q will remain same. So after the multiplication, we can see that 120 Q minus 0.02 Q is squared. Okay. And we know that if we need to find marginal revenue, then we have we have to differentiate total revenue in respect of Q, then we can find easily marginal revenue. So here is the process. MR equals to DDQ of TR. That means 120 minus 0.04 Q. Marginal cost process is same, because marginal cost means differentiation of TC or total cost. So DDQ of TC. So TC or total cost is given in the question, which is 60Q plus 25,000. So that means, and if we differentiate total cost, then we can find that 60, which is marginal cost. Okay. For profit maximization, we know that MR equals to MC. That means we have already found that MR is 120 minus 0.04 and equals to MC, which is we have found that 60. So in this equation and balancing this equation, we can find easily Q function, and which is quantity, and the quantity is Q equals to 1500. So yeah, 1500. So Q is the 1500. Now we can find price easily by putting the Q function uh, on the P equation. So in the P equation, we can find that 120 minus 0.02 into Q means 1500. So 1500. So P equals to 120 minus 30 equals to 90 cents. So price is 90 cents and Q is 1500. So here total cost equals to 60Q plus 25,000, which is given on the question. So if we put on the value of here, total cost TC equals to 60Q plus 25,000 equals to 60 into 1500 plus 25,000, which is the value of Q is 1500. So if we add all the values, then we can find the value of TC, which is 1,15,000. So after this, the total revenue, we know that TR equals to 120Q minus 0.02 Q squared. The TR equation, which we have already find out in this equation. So if we put the value of Q in this equation, then we can find that the value of TR, which is 1,35,000. So this is the total cost TC and total revenue TR. So we know that profit means TR minus TC. So if we substitute 1,35,000 minus 1,15,000, then we can find the value of pi means profit is 20,000. So this is the value of profit. So this is the profit of this function. So the profit maximizing level of production is 1500 units per week. with price of 90 cents per unit, total profit of 20,000 cents per week, which we have already seen in this video. So after this, then we will solve another problem, and the problem is, um, if the government decide to levy a tax of 40 cents per unit on this product, what will be the new level of production, price, and profit? So here is the solution. When a tax of 14 cents per unit is imposed, it effectively increases the cost of the firm. So the new marginal cost MC means MC plus tax. So we have already find the MC is MC in the previous question, and differentiating the cost function, the MC is 60. So if we add 14 with 60, then the new marginal cost is 74. Uh, and when MR equals to new MC, to find new optimal output. So if we retain 120 minus 0.04 into Q bar equals to 74, which is the new marginal cost, then we can also find easily the new level of production of the firm. So if we solve and process all the process rightly, then we can find the new Q, which is quantity, is equals to 1150. So new level of production is 1150. So after this, we can also find the new price. So we have already find out the new price function is 120 minus 0.02 Q bar. So if we put the value of Q bar, new Q or Q bar, which is 1150, then we can also, we can easily find out the new price, which is 97. So after this, we can also find out the total revenue, TR equals to 120 Q bar minus 0.02 Q square. If we put the value of Q bar, then we can see the value of TR, which is 1,11,550, and total cost TC equals to 60Q plus 25,000 plus 0.4 into 1150. If we put the value of Q, then we can also find the value of TC, which is total cost. So if we find out the TR and TC easily, then we can also find the profit function, which means total revenue minus total cost. So if we put the value, then we can see that 1,11,055 50 1,11,550 minus 94,161, then we can see the profit is 17,389. So the new level of production is 1150 units per week with a price of 97 cents per unit, total profit of 17,389 cents per week. So these are all from myself for today. Thank you for watching this video. Keep sharing, subscribe my channel, and like, comment. Thank you so much.